Yeah. Yo, you're your boy B, right? Yeah, that's me. Bruh, like, when are you gonna post, bro? It's been an entire month. Like, I've been waiting for your new videos, bruh. Oh, you actually, like, waiting for a new video? Well, I thought I could take a... Give us a new video! What was that new intro? So anyways, the other day, by the way, what is up YouTube? It's your boy FB. I was chilling, and you know, being in quarantine, I was walking around my house, doing me, you know, and I'm not really the type of guy to be educational and teach stuff to people, but, you know, since it's my first day back, it's time for you guys to learn about staying at home. Most of you guys are, you know, big brain smart, clout squad people, and you guys know that it's probably not a good idea to, you know, be walking around, going outside where everyone's like, cough. Anyways, by the way, we all know what cough is. This video is basically educational. If you do not like it, click away. Don't forget to like and comment. Hashtag your boy FB is back. Let's get over 5 likes on this video, and we will get another video next week. I promise. I'm not going on another long break. By the way, more information about the video at the end. Anyways, let's dive into this clout-filled episode. Anyways, like I was saying, not the type to be education, but like when it comes to cough and all that stuff, I know that being an extrovert is low-key the best way to stay away. So anyways, when I found out that I was gonna be at home for like a little while, I stopped my chest and I started to celebrate. Like, who wouldn't celebrate? If you're a student and you go to like middle school and you're a teenager like me, you know that to get away from all of this stuff in your school life, I mean, yeah, I still have to take online classes, which I highly recommend you take instead of skipping them. So it's way better than sitting in a classroom with a bunch of classmates and with your teacher and all that stuff. Plus, you get to go on your own schedule. You don't have to be at this class at this time, do this at that time. You don't have to do it. As long as you get it submitted at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Anyways, enough of me ranting about how amazing I love staying at home. Anyways, extra. I'm not the type to go outside, do some partying, you know, talk to people. You can ask people I know. I'm the type to sit down in bed and be like, and daydream about anime. Yes, I'm a real dude. I'm black. I like anime. It's not weird. So it's a TV show. Get over it, please. Anyways, enough of me ranting on me. Cringe as hell. I just hit my freaking setup. Never mind. Anyways, continuing this lovely video. I'm ranting on way too much. Sorry about that. I think that, you know, staying at home is important. And, like, if you stay at home, you're not gonna get sick. Like, would you rather get sick and have other people get sick that you love, or just stay at home? Now, if you're in a financial situation, big words, big brain, and your family needs, like, a job that, your family has a job, like a restaurant job, and they need the work to survive and keep a roof under your head, then go outside. I mean, just remember to stay safe. That's what I'm trying to get this message across. Stay safe. Like, if you see a guy coughing or sneezing, first thing I would do is book, because this virus is spreading like wildfire, and everyone knows that if a virus is spreading like that, probably should listen to what the people in government are saying. Alright, enough of me trying to be, the smart one, because I'm obviously not. Anyways, guys, just stay away. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Tell me what's your favorite moment of this hard time that we're going through. I know it's hard, but low-key though, you're gonna start having your boy FB videos every single day. Anyways, quick little flashback. So, a couple days ago, I woke up and my old school and little brother school and the middle school I was supposed to go to before I got transferred to, my academy. They were all swarming our neighborhood in cars and throwing candy on the ground. And let me tell you, if we could go outside, then I would go outside and get that candy, because that's how I roll. But I was staying inside, waving outside of my window. They saw me, they waved back. It was fun, and I'm glad of the teachers. Guys, get me to 1,000 subscribers so I can start getting money to pay for freaking English classes. Anyways, I was happy, and even though, cough and putting on a mask and, looking all suspicious and going all around, and if you need to leave somewhere, leave. Quarantine sucks. Everything about this sucks. I just want you guys to know that we're all in here together to the very last moment. So basically, the moral of the story is just stay at home. Don't risk it for the biscuit. Run away from cough. In fact, stay away from the cough. And basically, I'm your boy FB. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome back, your boy FB. Spam me in the comments. Let's get this video to 5 likes, like I said before. Get me to 50 subscribers, we're 1 subscriber away. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Your boy FB is out. Quick little announcement real quick, guys. I know the video's over, but you can click on this if you really don't care. But all seriously, please stay safe. I'm not really talking about stay on this stuff, but the point that we're in right now, and the fact that it's gonna be a second wave, just stay safe. Keep social distancing. Don't be in a place of more than 50 people. I hope you guys get this message. Next video won't be as, sad. Sorry about the